Hello, welcome to my channel Slay Minds. Today we'll play Sudoku together. Now let's play. Today we'll learn and play 6 by 6 Sudoku for kids and elders. Our goal is to fill in the entire grid with the numbers from 1 to 6. Each row, column and box must contain all the numbers from 1 to 6 without repetition. One of the main benefit of Sudoku, it helps you build confidence. You may pause the video and draw a grid for 6 by 6 Sudoku as shown on the screen on a piece of paper. You can note down the given numbers and start playing with me. In the first column, there are 6 columns. In the first column, numbers are 3, 6, 5. In the second column, numbers are 1, 5, 2, 4. Third column has only 2 numbers. And fourth column also has 2 numbers, 3 and 2. And fifth column has no number. And the sixth column has 4, 1, 5. So let's start with the second column. 1, 5, 2, 4. So that means 3 and 6 are missing. So 3 can come over here or here, and 6 can also come here and here. But 6 cannot come here as 6 is there. So in the same box. So 6 cannot come here, 6 will come here, 6, and 3 will come here. Okay. So let us complete the same box. So the numbers which are filled in the cell are 6, 2, 5, 3, and 1 and 4 are missing. So 1 and 4 will come here or here. So in this 4 cannot come as 4 is exactly the right side of this cell. So 1 will come here and 4 will come here. Okay. Now let's complete the same row 5, 3, 4, 1. So 2 and 6 are missing. So 2 and 6 will come in these two. So 2 cannot come here because 2 is here. So 2 cannot come here. 2 will come here and 6 will come here. So now let us complete this box. 4, 6, 2, 1 are there. 3 and 5 are missing. 3 and 5 will come in these two cells. So 3 cannot come here in this cell. So 3 is just above it. So that means 3 will come here and 5 will come here. Okay. So let us complete the same column. 3, 5, 6, 2 are there. 1 and 4 are missing. So 1 and 4 will come in these two cells. But 1 cannot come here because if you see on the left hand side 1 and 6 are there, so 1 cannot come here. So 1 will come here and 4 will come here. Okay. Let us complete the first box in which 3, 1, 6, 5, 2 are there. Only one number is missing, that is 4. So let us complete the first column. So the numbers present are 3, 4, 6, 5. Only 1 and 2 are missing. 1 and 2 will come in these two boxes. So 1 cannot come here. If you look at the right side of this cell, 1 is there. So 2 will come here and 1 will come here. Okay. Let us complete the same box. 2, 6, 1, 4 are present. So 3, 5 are missing. So 3, 5 will come in these two boxes. So 5 cannot come in this box. If you look at the right hand side, exactly at the right. So 5 is present. So 5 cannot come in that box. So 5 will come here and 3 will come here. So let us complete the last row. 1, 4, 3, 2, 5 are present. Which one is missing? That is 6. Let us complete the second last row, that is 2, 6, 5, 1. So 3 and 4 are missing. So 3 and 4 will come in these two cells. So 3 cannot come here. If you look up, so 3 is present. So 4 will come here and 3 will come here. Okay. So let us complete the fifth column. 3, 2, 4, 6 are present. Only 1 and 5 are missing. If you look at the left hand side, 5 is there. So 5 cannot come in this cell. 1 will come here and 5 will come here. Now we have to complete this box. 4, 5, 3, 1. 2 and 6 are missing. So 6 cannot come in this box because if you look at the left hand side, 6 is there. So 2 will come here and 6 will come here. So this Sudoku is done for today. So I hope you liked and enjoyed solving this Sudoku with me. Tomorrow again I'll come with a new video and with a new Sudoku and we'll play together. But please do not forget to like, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.